2006 Chevy Cobalt LS 4-cylinder fuel filter replacement on the back here. Shine some light on the subject maybe. Has two push buttons for releases over here. We got a light blue and a dark blue. 10mm bolt there as well, and then it has a fitting. You'll need a special tool on the left hand side. It's got 4 little fingers inside the fuel filter and it holds it on the fuel line. Let's see if we can get started by removing the easy lines on the back. It's one. Taking out the 10mm bolt, getting more access maybe to the back push button.
Well, good news. That way all the gas out of the tank will be gone by the time you're ready.
Oh, come on now, people. Can't be that good or bad.
Where are we going?
John, you're so awesome. You're so awesome. I love you. I'm definitely leaving that in.
Sides.
Both sides.
There's 2 pushers.
Is there 2 pushers? Ah. So this has got pushers on both sides, so you squeeze them together. Ooh, 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 squeeze it. See the buttons on both sides? Squeeze those and they just slide off. Now we'll get that connector in the back. There's several types of tools. We have a nice simple plastic one. Fits over the line like thusly, and we can slide it into the fuel filter and kind of feel it push and we should slide that off. Oof. Just like that. Maybe you can see in there the fingers. So that's it. But you do need a special tool for it, really. I mean, otherwise you could cut the heck out of this filter, but don't really recommend anything that's going to cause sparks. So just simply get your new fuel filter on there and just want to push it into place, snap it in place, make sure everything snaps back on, give everything a pull to make sure that nothing's going to come off. And that's doing your fuel filter on your 2006